Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Naio Nails. In this video we are going to do Faye.
Can you see you've got like two
rings?
Can you see?
The green, I can't see it because as soon as I look at the screens over there.
2 green rings.
To be fair, I don't need them for distance, so I can actually see the camera a little bit clearer now. They are just for close work. Ooh. So yeah, we're gonna do Faye a gorgeous nail that's gonna have a matte effect and shiny, and it's gonna have glitter, obviously.
You're doing 2 at a time, baby. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, 2 at a time. We're gonna do these 2 nails. We're gonna do nails.
The what nails?
Yeah.
I didn't realise that was the technical term.
Of course, it is, yeah. We're going to do a ballerina shape. We're going to do white and gold. It's going to be gorgeous. What are we going to do, nude and gold?
No, go nude, because you've got a lot of white on there.
All right,
go
nude.
Nude.
All right.
Nude.
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 Natural beige.
No, not a beige.
Natural beige.
Nude. Agreed. Nude.
Yeah, I was going to say that before you said it.
Before we were, we were like nude, white, white, nude, nude, white, white, nude.
You said it. And
you were like, come on, girl.
You just spoiled the moment.
Bang, get it.
All those.
You're doing nude.
You had the same idea, you know, with him being top nail tech. Form's on, closing the form, and I can put it on quite nice and easy, she says. Are we straight? We're straight, Faye.
Yeah. We are.
If it's not straight now, I'm going to blame Faye.
You're going to go mad. You know, not.
I'm going to blame you. I just like to...
No, off eat.
I like to not take the blame for things. Oh, wow.
I thought they were.
Tell you what.
Bang on, aren't they?
Bang on.
Show off.
Yeah.
They are. You're bang on.
You may notice that we have an addition. Look at this ring.
Not bad, is it?
Faye got married. She got married, yeah. And I know you're all thinking, wow, what nails did she have? Well,
I think people are thinking, really?
someone married Faye?
He's obviously deaf. Definitely deaf.
I'm blind.
No, not blind, but definitely deaf.
Yeah, she got married. Obviously, she had beautiful nails, didn't you, before you went
I
in?
did. If I was ever going to get married, I was always going to have beautiful nails.
Of course. It's like they
That
were
trumps
your
everything for me.
your
That's my
main thing, really, weren't they? Like,
Forget the
it
dress.
wasn't about the
Yeah,
outfit.
forget the outfit.
It was about the nails. And I'm sure the viewers expect nothing less. So, what we're going to do is we want some nice transparency to this nail. So obviously we're going to use crystal clear. So I've dehydrated, I've put the primer on. The prep was already done because we had the sleepover.
Wait!
What?
Oh no, yeah, okay.
Do you want to shoot or shall I? So I'm going to put a clear bead on and we're going to attach this to the natural nail. So, nice clear layer attached to the natural nail.
I'm excited for this.
We're coming down to number 4.
We are.
Oh, we turned into a farmer then for a minute.
Or parrot, whichever.
Well, yeah, they're very similar, aren't
We
they?
are.
Very similar. One's for the one's on here, one's
farmer.
on land, one's in the
On
sea.
sea.
But the accents are very similar, I think.
Yeah. But it's more like, "Rawr!" With the parrots.
Yeah.
Polly want a cracker?
So, natural beige.
Zap.
I'm going to start here because I'm going to...
I don't understand why you've done that though, KM.
You don't understand?
You know, do you know what I mean with the? You know what I mean with the clear.
Well, because we're going to put glitter on.
Oh, okay.
And it needs to be transparent. Well, I want it to be transparent. Then what we're going to do with this natural beige is we're just going to fade it out a little bit.
Which bit you do matte? Well, I'll take it the clear bit.
No.
Oh, the nude bit.
The nude
Okay.
bit. Natural beige at the back. Tap, tap, nice and neat at the cuticle area, and we drag it down like this and created a little apex. So we've got lots of glitters. Got some in the old packaging and some in the new packaging, so ignore that. These are the glitters. I'm going to turn them over so Adam can list them below. And these little triangles are out of a kit where you get all the different triangles in different colours. And those are the colours. So the other one
Bossy boots.
is going to be exactly the same. Miss Bossy here.
Little bossy crow.
You're a bossy crow, aren't you? I think you just know what you like, don't you?
I do.
So same again with the clear. So what we're going to do now is take a clear bead. I want to be quite precise where I put the glitter, so I'm literally just going to wet the tip of the nail and touch the glitter with my brush.
Oh, a bit of glitter, finally.
And just feed the glitter in through the nail.
Would you have felt a bit lighter if you didn't have glitter in?
I'd feel lost with no glitter, honest to God. That's what my life's about. Honest to God, I'm sure when I've pooped before, I must have pooped out some glitter. I've got to have.
You sweat glitter, don't you?
Absolutely.
You're very straight.
Sweaty, pooey. I don't like that word either. Strange and weird. What is it with you and strange and weird, pizza boy?
Odd.
Oh, I don't like that word either. I don't like them kind of words.
Different.
That's alright.
Is that acceptable?
I'm trying to think of other. I need the thesaurus.
What do you mean you're not one?
What?
You're not a thesaurus.
No, I need a thesaurus so I can find more.
I thought you'd be a thesaurus.
No.
Mr. Know-it-all. Mr. Pizza Boy.
He does know a lot, doesn't he?
I know
Useless
a little
information.
about many things.
That is, you know what, it's so true. He knows, like, so, it's a mind of knowledge, and it's all useless.
I watch lots of YouTube videos.
I can tell.
So which bit you doing, Matt? Oh, just ignore me. Of course you'd be doing the glitter. You're not going Matt the glitter, are you?
No.
Stupid.
How stupido.
Stupid as a stupid dog. We've gone off the what's it though, haven't we? Off the agenda.
What was the
Couple
agenda?
weren't in the agenda.
I know, but we've just changed it up and made it your own.
I've learned some very useless information yesterday, actually.
Oh, well,
Yesterday,
can't be down to me.
Like phrases,
Yeah.
like old-time phrases that sort of like have lost their meaning, or people have like not. You don't know. You'll say them, but you don't know why.
Yeah.
So like,
What?
Thank you for me broom, by the way. Sorry.
you're welcome.
Thank you, Adam.
And one of them that made me laugh was, you know, when they say, "Don't throw the baby out with the bathwater."
Yeah.
No.
You never heard that before?
I've never heard it, but
Have
I'd
you
like
not?
to know why.
It's like it is a phrase. Don't throw the baby out with the bathwater.
What, like, don't
And it's because
chuck me under the bus?
people used to share baths, and like one bath is like you couldn't. So
Yeah.
you'd have like one bath a month or whatever. And so the man of the house would have the first bath.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
ridiculous.
Then
Ruins it for the rest of them.
then any of the males. Then the women, and then the
children.
and the baby would be last. But the bathwater was so disgusting.
Couldn't be able to.
Say, don't throw the baby out of
Can't
the
see the
bathwater.
baby
Yeah.
for the water. Oh dear me. So I'm going to encapsulate in clear. So we're encasing the glitter inside the clear acrylic. I am going to pinch the tip of the nail. Making it nice and slender.
Got a canny apex, that one, like.
Got a fair old whapping apex that needs a bit of filage.
Oh no, I think Faye'd be happy with that.
She probably would, to be honest. She'd be like, no, leave it.
Leave it.
I mean, anyone I think I wasn't in the room, guys.
So I'm going to use the electric file to just get rid of some of the bulk.
Because you
Start
feel
to
like
shape.
a big apex. That's a big ass apex. I'm interested. I'm keen to see what this one will look like. Get your sprinkles on.
Get me protection goggles on.
Get your...
Personal protection. That's what. Personal protective equipment.
Oh, you've had mine on before.
I have. So I'm going to go through my normal filing routine. Side walls, nice and straight. While you're pulling my hands.
Okay.
Is it not on camera?
No.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I was thinking why she was like pulling away from me.
Upstage. Downstage. Good. I know. I would have liked to have pulled
Sorry.
that. You did that on purpose.
I have the satisfaction. I'm going to wipe over with a little bit of acetone to smooth. Right, now what we're going to do is we're going to use, where's my mat?
You're going to be right out my comfort zone today, aren't you?
Yeah, I did say to you, it says you need to change it up. I am going to put gems on, so I'm going to use this opportunity to put the Acrygel on now, and then I'm going to matte top coat to here, and then gloss here.
Be interesting.
The matte will be done first. I don't know why I'm talking like that, but the matte will be done first, and then we will put the gems on. So this is Ultra Matte Coat. So we're going to go over the top of the Acrygel, sweep down, and we want to avoid the glitter.
That must be so tempting, just go to the end of the nail.
Yeah, you kind of have to stop yourself from doing your automatic things.
Because it would be just automatic, wouldn't it?
Yeah. So I'm going to press some stones into... Pop me that in the lamp. And now what we're going to do is use the Urban Graffiti top coat onto the glitter and make that free edge glossy and transparent. How Schwexy is that with the matte? Damn girl, pop it in the lamp.
I know you'll love them.
Oh, I love them. I
They are
love
beautiful. They're
the matte.
absolutely beautiful. It's so amazing.
It looks like a love heart.
Just a little bit, yeah.
How weird, because
There's
what
your
was that
heart.
stuff? How weird, because what was that stuff we were looking at this morning? I bloody love hearts on, didn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, obviously it's completely fluke, but...
Finish with a little bit of oil. Bloody gorgeous.
Bloody gorgeous.
Wow. 2 more nails to go on, Faye. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Everything I've used today will be listed below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Yeah.
You don't want to make a cup of tea, though, eh?
Do you know what? He's a fantastic cup
You know
of tea
what?
maker.